I'm gonna do a quick video on how to install this swing back trailer jack. It's a 2,000 pound capacity. It's very easy to do. And you can pick these up at a Harbor Freight, Northern Tools. This is the weld-on type. So first, what you want to do is just jack your jack up to the level you want it at. And it's easier to do it that way. So just jack it up to what level you want. As you can see, me and my son, we're working on it. And you can do this in less than 10 minutes. It don't take long. If you take this to a welding shop, they're gonna charge you probably $100 just to do this installation. You see how we got the jack jacked up? We're gonna jack it up a little bit more, maybe a ½ inch more. And you put this thing right up next to it, level it off how you want, make sure it's square. You can put a level on it if you want to, but we're gonna just eyeball it. Take your MIG gun, and you can purchase one of these at Harbor Freight, Northern Tools, or just look in the description below. You can pick up one of these little MIG welders on Amazon. They're probably maybe $300, $400, but it's worth the money to have around the house. It runs off your 110. As you can see, I'm tacking it on 3 corners here. And you see I don't have on any gloves, and you guys need gloves and also need a welding shirt. Don't do what I'm doing. Make sure you do your safety first. So once I got it tacked, I'm gonna just move it out the way, and I'm gonna let my son give it a try here. This is first time welding. So this is first time ever picking up a welding torch. So I think he did very good. So it's easy to learn how to weld. It's a good skill to have.
All right, that's good.
But I'm gonna go ahead and weld this hitch up right here, or this little fitting on. As you can see, I'm gonna go ahead and weld it. I'm going down here with this, welding on each side. The bottom you see over here on the right, I'm spot welding it because this thing burns deep. So you got the spot welded. So hit the trigger for a couple of seconds, let it go, hit it again. So once you got this welded on, you're really done at this point. You just put it back on, you just jack it up. It's real easy. As you can see, my son is doing it. Once we jack it up,
Way easy. A lot easier.
we're gonna pull the truck out the way. And that's it. And if you want to purchase any of this stuff, just look in the description below. But this is how you put on a swing back trailer jack. It's 2,000 pound capacity. Very easy to do. Don't forget to subscribe, like, turn on your notifications, and share this video. Also leave comments. Thanks for watching welding and stuff.